From removal of roundabouts and dualization of roads to the construction of several grade-separated intersections, the Montego Bay Bypass may just help with traffic congestion in Montego Bay. But let's see what they have planned. The Montego Bay Bypass will feature grade-separated intersections at key locations. What is a grade-separated intersection, you ask? Well, I needed to find this out myself. I think this website provided the best definition I could find. According to them, grade-separated intersections are road intersections where all the roads join or cross at a different level by providing a bridge, either overbridge or underpass. I searched for some pictures and videos that represent it to some extent, and this one is a lot more complex than I think ours will be, but it gives you an idea. Here are some simpler versions. Now, what are some of the advantages of having this type of intersection? Well, according to this article, grade separation increases roadway safety by reducing the vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-pedestrian conflicts. The crossing traffic is removed from the intersection, thus eliminating the possibility of collisions between those streams of vehicles. The grade-separated intersections will be at Bogue Road, Fairfield Road, Riverside Drive. Now, a couple of these roads I'm not familiar with. For example, Riverside Drive. Where is that? According to this map, it seems to be in the Pitford area, Irwin Road, Adelphi Road, Cornwall Courts, Cottage Road, and Salt Spring Road. They will also have a roundabout at Quebec Road and Ironshore Subdivision. According to this map, it seems close to Providence Heights and Norwood Gardens, so somewhere within that vicinity. Now on to the Barnett Street dualization part of the project. A dualized highway has opposing directions of traffic separated by a median. Dualized highways can be designed with 2 or more lanes, but 4 lanes is the most common built. Now this project will start from where West Green Avenue intersects with Fairfield Road. This road that we're on here is Dr. Marco Brown Road, but many people still call it Barnett Street. Now I will show you the sign shortly. So if you were to continue on this main road, you will pass Fairview and onto Bogue Main Road. And if I go down the other way on this road, you pass Westgate Shopping Center onto Barnett Street. And we will get to what they're doing in that area shortly. Okay, so this is the end of West Green Avenue. But here we have Fairfield Road. This road takes you to Tucker Irwin and so on. There is Vista Prince and Barnett Tech Park. Now this project will start from where West Green Avenue intersects with Fairfield Road. It will stretch for 1.06 kilometers to Cottage Road. This is currently a 2-lane road, and the proposed road work plan involves construction of an additional 2-lane bridge over the Montego Bay River in the vicinity of the Westgate Shopping Center. So, my fears may be happening. Remember the video I did a few weeks ago capturing footage of this abandoned bridge and the fretwork at the Westgate Shopping Center? To some extent, preserve these sites just in case they are removed? Well, it seems like it's a real possibility, but let's see. They will also be doing improvements on West Green Avenue, the road that connects Howard Cook Boulevard to the Bogue Main Road right at the Fairfield intersection, so right in front of Vista Print. Well, that 0.82 kilometers will also be dualized. The roundabouts currently on that stretch of road will also be removed and replaced with signalized intersections. They will construct a concrete median barrier, sidewalks, and improve the drainage system. You know which drainage system they need to improve as well? The one in town, St. James Street, that whole area. So do you think that these different projects will help to ease the congestion in Montego Bay? I know one of my concerns was that widening the stretch of road from Vista Print to Cottage Road will only lead to traffic bottleneck, but finding out that there will be a grade separated intersection at Cottage Road really eased my fears. Now, let me know what you think, guys. Will this work? Watch this next video if you want to learn about this massive urban development planned for Montego Bay. See you in the next one.